Welcome back. In the last video, we talked about machine learning and deep learning, how AI systems learn from data and make predictions. Now let's make that a step further and talk about a fascinating tool called computer vision. So what is it? Computer vision is how computers can see and understand images. It's a type of AI technology that works with photos and videos, we call them imagery, to help machines recognize objects, shapes, and even tiny details, exactly like human eyes do. So how computer vision works in farming? Let's consider this process step by step. First stage is when the image is captured. It starts with a photo of a leaf, fruit, or a plant taken by a smartphone, drone, or field camera. This image becomes the starting point for analysis. The next stage is preprocessing. The image is cleaned up, adjusting brightness, removing background noise, or resizing it. This makes sure the photo is clear enough for AI to understand. After the preprocessing, we move to the stage of feature detection. AI scans the photo for key features like color changes, edges, or unusual shapes. It looks closely for details which humans might miss. For example, some tiny changes near the edge of the leaf could be unnoticed by humans but visible for computer vision. Then, based on features extracted earlier, there is a stage of labeled data comparison. The image is compared to a large library of labeled examples, showing healthy and diseased cases, for example. These labeled samples act like a reference book for the AI. Just imagine you have one photo in hand and lots of photos in front of you, and you're trying to figure out which ones match. The algorithm is doing pretty much the same. After this, we have pattern recognition. So the system looks for shapes, colors, or spots it has seen in past examples, like signs of disease or pest damage. If it finds something similar, it connects it to a known problem. After all comparing and recognition is done, the next stage is prediction. The AI generates a result and may visually highlight the affected area using a bounding box or color overlay. For example, a yellow box appears in the screen to indicate the specific section of the leaf showing signs of infection. The color and shape of the bounding box may vary. The same applies to the objects below these boxes. For example, for yield count, it could be not a box, but a circle around, let's say, blueberries or tomatoes. And the final stage is output. The result is displayed in an app or web dashboard. At this stage, you see the results and can make further decisions about disease treatment or yield forecasting. So, to recap, let's just repeat. Computer vision allows machines to see, analyze, and understand images, helping farmers detect problems early and take action faster. And the main vocabulary for this lecture. Image recognition is the process of identifying objects, features, or conditions in a photo or video, for example, spotting diseased leaves. Algorithm is a set of rules or instructions that the computer follows to process and analyze data like images from the field. Threshold is a set limit used by artificial intelligence to decide when something is normal or needs attention. For example, triggering an alert if more than 10% of crops look unhealthy. In the next lesson, we will explore another key part of AI farming, how sensors or IoT devices, IoT means Internet of Things devices, collect the data that AI needs to work. So let's move on.